learning is the key to earning, and learning is something that never goes away. If you wake up in the morning and you think you know everything, that's your last day of success. When I was 20 years old, I dropped out of college. I went to Temple University. I could have dropped out of any school, but I chose to drop out of Temple. And I flew to Europe to spend a year. When I got there, somehow I already knew everything because I was raised in Philly, we knew everything. But I got to Vienna, I didn't know who the Habsburgs were. So I realized that I actually knew nothing. So I started to learn, and at 20 years old, I made a goal to learn one new thing every day for the rest of my life. And after reading The Diary of Anne Frank on Anne Frank's doorstep, and after realizing that I went to Sir Walter Raleigh's home, and it was built before America was discovered, I'm like, wait a minute. So all of these things have context in terms of who you are as a person, and lifelong learning plays a major role in who you are and who you become. I've learned that initially being nice to people helps win in almost anything that you do. Having grown up in New Jersey, having grown up in New York in the selling environment, people are not always nice, especially at initial contact because they're busy and they got other things to do. So I've developed this strategy, friendly Jersey. So I'll give you two friendlies before I get to any kind of exchange of things. And I'm finding out that that one friendly will work. At a hotel, I'm looking, are you checking in? I go, no, I'm here for my hair transplant. And immediately I can engage somebody with humor. Yeah. So I'm going to engage with humor, and the more I study humor, the more I find that it works. So today I learned humor in a taxi cab. And I get in the car with a guy, and I said, I'm coming to the Sarder Studios, and gave him the address. And I said, and I don't care how long it takes to get there, and I don't care how you do it. And the guy was like, really? But he stepped on it as a result of it.
Yeah, yeah. Instead of you yelling at him, I gotta get there, take this right
LaGuardia and step on it.
38th,
yeah, LaGuardia. What are you going down here?
Yeah.
People yell at the cab driver.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, all the time. I know. No. Let them drive.